Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Julie, and this is the soaping channel that I just started. I'm just new to soaping, and I thought that maybe we could go on this exploration together here. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is taking up some even more shredded pieces. Now, what I did was I took the blocks from our last project here, and I actually chopped these down very fine like. Now, what I want to do is make these embeds, but I'm going to try something. I'm going to add these in, and we're going to cut them, and we're going to see how they look in the middle. So I'm not necessarily caring about the colors right now. This is all experimentation. I am going to change this color to probably an ugly green or something just to get, just to get the idea here. We want contrast. So I'm going to adding some teal green drops that I happen to have. Okay. Then we're going to need a little more. Oh, this is an interesting color here. I want it to have a little bit more contrast. Okay, guys. Now, also, my heat temperature is going to be very important, too, because if I'm going to be soaping and this is too hot, it's just going to melt these down because they're so small. So I don't want that to happen. So what I have done here was I sprayed my mold with rubbing alcohol. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it a few different ways. I'm going to try it this way. We're gonna measure first. We're gonna see what our heat temp says, guys. Okay, it's really still too hot. I'm getting 165. So I need to let that set up for a little bit. So in the meantime, I will just continue on the way here. I wanted some to actually for this to line with these chips, and then I also wanted to pour first and then add some and see what kind of effect that gives me. So, okay, I'm going to finish lining the molds and I'll be back for the pour. Okay, guys, we are back. A little bit of a change in plans. I'm going to go ahead and pour the soap in here, and then what I'm going to do is put the shavings in at that point. So we're just going to put them in here. I have a feeling if I don't do this, that they're just going to all be up front, the front of the mold. And I kind of want, the whole idea is to have it throughout. So I'm just going to go in. And it looks like I'm going to have to definitely tap some down. Setting up very quickly, and that's why I am feeling the need here to move fast. Now again, I've never done this before, so we're going to find out how this does together, guys. Now, what I'm going to do as well is take, that's about enough. I'm going to take this skewer that I had, yeah, guys, one, and I'm going to tap down. Definitely spray with alcohol before I do that. And you can see I'm trying to get this as quickly as possible because it really does, it's wanting to set up quickly. It's actually almost seizing on me. So these will not look the best, but when we cut them, at least I'll be able to see some kind of effect. I think I might have added too many, but you'll live and you'll learn. And this does not look good right now, guys, but gotta be real careful because I just don't want to melt these either. I'm confident it's thick enough that it won't. Yeah, it's really thick. Okay, guys, I'll be back for the cut. Hi guys, we're back. I went ahead and unmolded our embeds. And we're going to see, again, this is purely experimental. We're going to cut into them and see what happens. Wow. You can see there. You know, you get the idea. Now, when I make it next, now that I know that this will work, I will make a big loaf. But I really did want to try this out and see what happened with these. Okay. And that gray is not, it's actually pretty with the pink. And then you can see some here. Almost looks like confetti a little bit. Focus. There you go. Okay. I'm going to try another one. Guys, I'm liking this idea. Really, really liking this idea. So the next video I will have for you is going to be a full loaf with this. We're going to try that method next and see where we go from there. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already done that and like this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a blessed day.